Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with another review for you guys with this hair that I have in. So let's get started on the specs with this hair. Okay, this is how the hair came in this box, and it's from Nadula Hair Company. You get free eyelashes as usual. And there's the 3 bundles and the closure. And the bundles look good. The wefts look good also. And here's a closure. It's a Freehold closure, which I'm going to show you how I part my Freehold closure. Alright, I constructed my wig on a mesh wig cap, and I'm going to use some of my foundation onto my closure. Just pat it everywhere because I don't bleach knots, you guys. If you know how to bleach a knot, then you can go ahead. I don't. I just use my powder, and I think it works just as good, and I'm satisfied with the results. Okay, we have on the wig now, so we're just going to take a comb and part where we want our part to be. I'm doing a center part, so I'll be parting down the center as good as possible. Just take your time and part how far you want your part to be back. And now we're going to take some water and conditioner and spritz the area with the part to lay the hair down flat. And we're just going to take a comb and comb the hair down. You could also use a brush, but I forgot to bring my brush, so I'm using the comb. When you're finished spritzing your part, you can tie your hair down with a bandana, and that will make it more flat and define your part very nicely. But I'm not going to do that right now. Now I'm going to go back over our part with my foundation to define the part a little more. I like this method. I think it works very well for me. Because like I said, all the time, I'm not good at bleaching the knots. But this works just fine for me. On my Freehold closure, I showed you how I achieved the part. Now you can pluck it if you want. I chose not to pluck my closure this time. I'm not plucking it, but you can pluck it if you want. You want the part to be more visible. But I think it's good. Just as it is, I think it is good. I like it just like that, so I am leaving it like that. Yeah. So this here, like I said, it's from Nadula Hair Company, and I have in the Brazilian Natural Wave, and the lengths I have in are 22, 20, 18, and a 16-inch closure. Yeah, you guys, I love the long closure. I think it falls nicer with the bundles. I think the long closure falls nice with the bundles. Yeah. And I'm loving the wave, natural wave. I am absolutely loving the waves, you guys. OMG. This hair is so nice. And it's soft. The hair is nice and soft. And I'm not getting no tangling yet. Now, it's only been 1 week. It's only been 1 week since I have this hair. But so far, so good. I am liking it. You know, and just within a few days, you can tell if the hair is good or not. Within a few days of wearing it, and how it, the friction between the hair, you know, you can tell the quality of a hair just within a few days. You don't need to go months. You can tell within a few days if it's something that's going to last you long, or if it's something that's not. Well, for me, it takes me a few days just to know if the hair is good or not. Yeah. So I am enjoying these waves. They're just like my lazy waves. I like them, although they're natural waves, that's what they call it. So it's nice. It's not as tight as curly hair, you know. But it's very nice, and like I make it on a wig. I make my wigs, you guys, you know, on a mesh wig cap, I do. And so I take it off at night, don't sleep on it. But so far so good. I'm loving this hair. I do. I like it. And you know, when I have good quality hair, that's what I share you guys. Now I have ordered from I have ordered from Nadula Hair Company before. I did their Brazilian body wave. Yeah, the Brazilian body wave I had gotten from them before, and that texture was nice too. And so far I'm liking this texture also, the natural wave. Brazilian natural wave. It's very nice, and I love the lengths. The length is nice. And here's the hair at the back. It's full and nice and bouncy, you guys. And I love the longer lens closures, like I showed you, like I told you before, because the hair just sits behind you if you choose to. Have your hair in the back. And I love the natural wave pattern. So I am enjoying this hair. And Nadula Hair Company, it's a good hair company. And the shipping is very fast, which is good. Like I told you guys, nowadays, these hair companies are not joking. They're no longer with this long shipping anymore. Shipping is always fast, which is good. So when you order something, you want your hair right away so you can get yourself together and do what you need to do. Yeah. And it's good for you ladies if you like curls, but you don't want the tight curls of curly hair or deep wave hair, that kind of curl, but you still want some curls that's nice and easy to manage. Well, you have this, the natural wave. So like I said, I've been having this hair for just 1 week now. So this is my 1 week review. My initial review, my unboxing, and my 1 week all in one. Yeah. So I will come back and keep you updated and tell you a little bit more how this hair is faring as time goes by. I will come back and update you guys with that. So I'm going to leave a link below to Nadula Hair Company for you guys to go on their sites and check out their hair and get some bundles for yourself, because their hair is nice. In the description box, I'll leave that link. Alright you guys, thank you so much for coming on and seeing my review that I had to do today with my Brazilian natural wave in the length 22, 20, 18 and a 60-inch closure. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye everyone.